upon the gorgeous Aishwarya Rai Bachchan and Mr. Shashank Srivastava.
Salam, Abu Dhabi. Namaste and good evening. Thank you so much for all your love and for such a warm welcome. And we're here to announce, Shashank sir.
IFA Award for Performance in a Leading Role Female
Goes to... Louder. Woohoo! Kriti Sanon for Mimi.
I came on the stage to receive my first IFA award for my debut performance 8 years back. And it has taken 8 years for this beautiful award to come back to me. And this is my first Best Actress Award. कुछ ऐसी फिल्में आती हैं एक एक्टर की लाइफ में जो आप में कुछ बदल देती हैं. कोई ऐसी नॉट खोल देती है आपके अंदर. And you just realize that, hey, I can fly higher. I can do so much more. And for me, I think Mimi was that film. So thank you, IFA. This means the world to me. And thank you all for always supporting and giving us so much love. And I promise to work very, very hard and see you again here sometime soon.
Congratulations, Kriti.
Hello, boys. Good evening, Malaysia. मजा आ रहा है? आगे doing okay? लगाओ एक दो. So we are here to present the Best Actress in a Debut Role Female, and the award goes to Kriti Sanon for Hero Panti.
रब्बा रब्बा मेरे रब्बा रब्बा मुझे बस एक झलक तो दिखा हो रब्बा रब्बा मेरे.
Good evening, Malaysia. Thank you so much. It's actually an honor to get the award from her because I really, really look up to her as an actor. Band Baja Barat, I don't know how many times I've seen that film.
Thanks, Kriti.
Sorry, I forgot to. No, you both were really, really, I mean, you guys killed it there.
It's ironical that you're taller than her and yet you look up to her.
Thank you, IFA. Thank you, Sajid sir, Varda, this here. Thank you so much for giving me this opportunity. Thank you, Tiger. You were the most amazing co-star.
बाबा पता है कभी कभी मैं एक चीज सोचकर बहुत परेशान हो जाता हूँ. पता है
क्या है बताओ?
बताता हूँ. मुझे कल ना एक फैन मिला एयरपोर्ट पे, आकर बोला सर
special, make them feel equal, make them feel loved. And now getting down to why we're really here. So the best performance in a comic role
goes to Varun Dhawan. If I would want to win an award for any film, I would want to win it for Rohit's film, for my brother's film. So, Bhaiya, this one's for you.
Congratulations, Varun.
Thank you, Karan. Thank you, sir. But actually, since I'm here, I want to get something off my chest.
Are you taking your shirt off?
Should I take my shirt off? No, okay, that's a little bit later for that. But what I want to actually say is that I always get all these comic roles, these chocolate boy roles, yeah. I want to do something serious. So Karan, because you presented Bahubali 2, if there's going to be a Bahubali 3, can I be in it?
We're going to come towards you, Varun, to answer that. But thank you, Shilpa. Thank you, sir. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, Shilpa.
Good evening, New Jersey. Good evening, New York. Air India, your airlines, our own airlines. We already have 5 direct flights into US. And we are also evaluating a couple of new destinations like Los Angeles and Houston. So very soon, Air India would be spreading the footprints in the United States. Thank you and enjoy yourself.
Hi Karan, hi Seth.
Hello, hello.
So why can't I be part of Bahubali 3 since you're the presenter of that?
You think you became an actor because of your talent?
Yeah, I think you launched me because of my talent, right? You gave me a break.
I think it was because of your papa.
But Saifu, you're also here because of your mama.
और मैं इस इंडस्ट्री में हूँ because of my papa.
What does that mean?
Nepotism rocks. Nepotism rocks. Nepotism rocks.
Actually, करण वो गाना कौन सा था? करण के फिल्म में गाना था ना? बोल चूड़िया, बोल कंगना.
कंगना ना बोले तो बेहतर है. चलो चलो आगे बढ़ो वरुण.
हाँ तो मैं वही बोल रहा था कि मैं बाहुबली 3 में क्यों नहीं हो सकता हूँ?
ये इतना इजी नहीं है वरुण. बाहुबली एक डब फिल्म थी. I don't think you know any regional languages. It's going to be tough for you.
Karan, 1 second. I can speak in many regional languages. You want to test me?
Yeah, come on, go ahead. मैं आपको देता हूँ बाहुबली का डायलॉग.
बोलो.
मेरा वचन ही है शासन.
यहाँ पे बहुत गुजराती भाई बहन है मेरे.
आगे आओ.
कितने पटेल और शाज हैं ऑडियंस में.
तो सुनाओ सुनाओ इनको सुनाओ.
मारो वचन आज मारो शासन छे ओ ढोली टारो ढोल बाजे ढोल बाजे.
वाह. Now do it in Marathi.
ठीक है हम लोग महाराष्ट्र से हैं तो मराठी में भी बोलता हूँ मैं. माझा वचन ही शासन आहे. जय महाराष्ट्र.
वाह. So great. I think the audience loves you, right, Varun?
I love you. Everybody loves you. No.
I want to say, Varun, I think we are here to really watch you sing, dance and remove your shirt. तो जितनी जल्दी से जल्दी अगर आप backstage जाओ, अपने कपड़े उतारो और वापस यहाँ आ जाओ. Normally,
I'm going to be back, guys, to perform for you all, but thank you for this.
The Nexa IFA Award for Performance in a Leading Role Male goes to... Oh, this is a cheesy screenplay that I'm announcing now. It's very difficult to call this person by any other name than what I know him because he's a chameleon, and when he's doing a film, he's that character. So it goes to Ranveer Singh for Padmavat.
Few words exchange here. Every chance now. Last ball of the innings. And he's put it away in time.
What a player!
इश्क सहरा खली बली हो गया है दिल दुनिया से मेरा खली बली हो गया
it's blessing enough for me that I actually made it as an actor. It's actually a miracle that's made possible by the blessings of my family, my mother, my father, my sister, who, with their love and support, I'm able to live my dream every day. To do what I'm really passionate about doing. Hey, I do what I love to do for a living, and there's nothing greater than that. It's a gift. And I'm grateful for that every single day. And that's enough for me. Just the fact that I'm an actor. So this, recognition like this, is truly overwhelming. I would like to dedicate this award to the team of Padmavat, who worked very hard to try and make something special. Most of all, to Sanjay sir, who shaped and molded me into the actor that I am today. And to all my directors, who've made me into the actor that I am today. My wife is sitting right there in the front row, looking damn proud of me and looking damn fine. I mean, what more could I ask for? और क्या मांगू मैं ऊपर वाले से? I am extremely humbled by all the love I've received over the years, and I hope I'm able to do my best in times to come. Thank you, Mumbai. Thank you, IFA. Good night and good movies.
Thank you. A big hand for Ranveer Singh, such a superstar, so inspiring. Love you, man.